Oh, throttle linkage.
Yeah.
It was hanging up on Wick pretty bad, so wants to get it out, but we gotta take the steering bullshit out to get it out. Unless those, how high do those pivot, Wick? The steering shit.
I don't know.
Should we try it?
We can drop her down a little bit and try it. Maybe from the inside if I manipulate the gas pedal linkage.
Might be able to get it out.
But
Yeah.
you can see how tight these mothers are. Is that one there? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, that explains it.
That
Barely
shouldn't
move
be
it.
like that.
No. So we got that. We're gonna take the starter out, send it out over to Ace over in Indio. Get that knocked out. That's about it, Wiki. Bottom side of that battery tray, we could use a little rattle can magic on it. It's a little rusty.
Yeah. Yeah, see the linkage there.
Should we get that steering box gone through while we're at it?
I don't know. It'd be nice not to have to deal with it, but I don't know where all that liquid's coming from.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do we know somebody that can do that too? Because that's the key is, you know, what parts are available.
Yeah, we got a guy for that in Indio. Advantage West. They make nice shit. Walk over here, and Wick's already using the crescent wrench to undo the starter wiring, and I was like, well, I was gonna go get the right size. And what'd you say, Wick?
This is the right size. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, good enough.
Look at that.
Cute. All right. Off to
It's
Ace.
kind of nice to be able to hold a starter like with one hand, unlike that fucking Pontiac starter, even the small starter.
Off to Ace alternator.
It's a Fiat.
They'll go through that, baby, make it real nice. I gotta go over there anyway.
Yeah, and I wonder kind of, I mean, the battery's obviously shot, but I do kind of wonder if some of the problem we were having. Look at that ventilated battery box. That's kind of cool, huh?
I can't believe that's factory, but it is.
Yeah.
All right, so next step, I guess we're gonna undo our steering shit so we can get that throttle linkage out.
Yeah, because I do not see the ability to buy those.
The bushings.
I know you find that shocking, so we might have to make our own
Oh, darn.
bolt-in custom. I can hold this with one hand, but I'm tired of holding it with one
You're
hand.
sick of it already?
Yeah.
I don't blame you. All right, we fought the throttle linkage out. That was fun.
That was painful.
And now they're binding. Like you said, Wick, they don't look like they're serviceable.
No, I mean, the only thing I could think would be if you could drill and put a Zerk in there or something to lubricate it, but my goodness.
Jesus.
Yeah, because that's a weld, this is a weld. Unless this thing screws apart or something, but
Yeah,
it
I don't
doesn't seem
think
like that would make any sense.
Well, there's that. One more piece out of Alright. Got her unstuck. Wick's gonna use a little sandpaper.
See if we can make this last another 60 years. What do you think?
Fuck it.
I mean, since I guess the only other fix would be to try to find another one of these and oh,
Yeah. I doubt that's gonna happen. Some good shit, Wick.
mm-hmm.
Little cleaning goes a long way.
I know it might be better than this is one of these Scotch Brite guys. These things are magical.
Oh, I love Scotch Brites.
These came from Eastwood of all places.
Oh, so they were extra money.
Mm-hmm. But extra good. And you sure think there'd be a plastic bushing or something and a way to swap it out over time.
Or a grease zerk.
Mm-hmm. And this is so thin, and that's the thickest part, but that goes against the firewall, so you'd have to put it in
there
or there. I mean, maybe you got enough metal to put a small zerk in there? I don't know. What do you think?
I'd chance it. Why not?
What do we got to lose? If nothing else, at least we got a hole to squirt WD-40 into.
Damn, that looks better already.
Look at it. We're getting it new. Yeah, it'd be nice to be able to drive down the road and not have to, when you want to stop or somebody pulls out in front of you, reach down with your foot and pull back on the accelerator to slow down.
Yeah, that's always
or
good.
Put the clutch in and let her rev up to like 8,000.
Yeah, fuck it. It's good. It can handle it. This thing needs like
Major work.
full-on cleaning. All right. With Fiona, if you love her, lube her. We kind of love her enough to lube her, I guess.
I guess.
It's a little better than spitting on it, right?
Yeah, and it really was more about not getting
Killed.
But the gas pedal's missing. Which way you going?
Back where it's supposed to be. Oh, Jesus.
There it goes.
Ah.
Yeah, look at that.
Wait, I'll hold this one. Okay, go. Oh,
Yeah, dog.
it works like it's supposed to.
Sure does. How about that? Now
All
maybe
right.
I'll go see if we got any zerks, and after lunch we can maybe put a couple of zerks.
Get a little frisky with it.
Yeah, we'll have to think about where to put them that we could get to them, because this thing is buried underneath that structural member. Probably could clean this bad boy up a little bit too, since this is exposed on the inside of the car.
Yeah.
And I need to find the actual
Pedal.
pedal itself. It's kind of like a go-kart, really.
Yeah.
But yeah, now it's
It actually moves though now.
actually moves. I think that's pretty much as good as it gets.
Fancy.
Mm-hmm.